I'm starting work on the next version of A8Manager, and the first thing I'm adding is the ability to convert other audio formats into the appropriate wave format. So if we look down here in this window here, just dump these out. So on Windows, we'll support WAV and BWFs, we'll support the AIFF files, FLAC files, OGG Vorbis files, and things supported by the Windows Media stuff, so MP3, blah, 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 blah. So I assume the most popular will be like the AIFs, some FLACs maybe, the OGGs and the MP3s. In any case, these will be slightly different over on the Mac, with Core Audio having probably the equivalent that Windows Media has for some other types of files. So what that means is in the validator window down here, you will see that it is an unsupported file type. Here is an OGG Vorbis file with the name OGG there, or the extension of OGG. And so if we click on Fix, it will get converted to a WAV file, and we can then load that up here and play that as such. So yeah, so that's the first of things. I'll be going over the requests from people that they had, as well as some other things that I've done in, for those who don't know, I did a editor like this for the Squid sample. And so there's got some things in there that I'll bring over here, such as silly things like when you pop up this new dialog, the text editor here isn't highlighted. You have to click on that. So I fixed that in the Squid sample one for all the dialogues that pop up now. That's appropriately handled there, and I'll check over, see some other things if I need to bring them over. So yeah, maybe a month or two, we'll see a new release of this with some other features. I may, depending on timing, how it goes, add a more full-fledged audio editor so that you can open up an audio file and cut pieces out of the middle of it, maybe do some other stuff or whatever. But that may be a little more work than I want to take and hold this release off on, so that may be a subsequent release that's got that. But yeah, but I will also be adding some tools for setting loop and sample endpoints, such as moving to zero crossings, or things like this where you could instruct the end here to move so to the first place, left or right, that it matches, or the beginning, I'm sorry, the right side here is the beginning. You could instruct this to be moved until it matches the end here, or vice versa, move the end left or right till it matches the beginning. That'll be another useful looping tool. And yeah, so just wanted to let you guys know I am working on things again.